Hi, my name is Catherine Small, and yes, this is your doorway to financial freedom. You know, the economy is in a terrible downslide with no immediate relief. Unemployment and foreclosures are at an all-time high. Companies are shutting down and downsizing. Stock prices are dropping. Large, solid corporations going bankrupt. Families are unexpectedly moving back together due to economic hardship. Schools are losing educational funds. The credit card companies are closing accounts, and so much more doom and gloom. The ripple effect will be felt for years to come. But you can join us, and let's get you started creating long-term wealth right now today. $25 is all it costs. It's just a one-time out-of-pocket expense. This is truly a lot easier than you think. You will be pleasantly surprised. I will show you how to achieve financial independence. So click on my link, Make Money with Catherine. Check out our 30-second TV commercial. Review the information, scroll down to the bottom of the page, hit join now so we can get you on the road to financial freedom. When you do join my team, you will get a copy of my web traffic secrets and a copy of my attention-grabbing headlines that works like crazy. I hope to hear from you soon. Again, this is Catherine Small, a mentor with a servant's heart. Thanks for watching, and you have a blessed and prosperous day.